about tens and ones, okay? So I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. We're going to model them using these numbers, okay? And these represent 1. Can you tell me a 2-digit number? 10? 1, a little bit higher. What number?
11.
12? Number 12? Okay, we can do 12. Let's count 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There's 12, right? And I'm going to connect them. Okay, so now we have 12 here. But then this number looks too big. Doesn't this look too big?
Yeah.
Yes? What can we do to this
We
number?
can take away.
Take away? Why are we taking away?
It's too big.
So what are we going to do?
We can take 4.
Take 4?
Yes, please.
Take 4? So how many do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We have 8. Okay, but have you ever seen something that looks like this?
No.
That has tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we see these, and then these can be 2. But we see these when we work with these. This is what we're going to work with today. They're called base 10 blocks, okay? So this is 10, and this one's a 10 also. And then we also have these little ones. Since we're learning about tens and ones, we're going to make numbers, okay? So I'm going to give each of you a bag. We're not, okay, I'll give you a number to work with. Okay, don't do anything with them yet. Okay, so this one has 10, this one has 10, and we group them by tens, okay? But we can make this number in 2 ways. We can make them with, Ricardo, with 12 ones. You can have them all here, and this is 12, right? We have 12 ones. But we can also show it a different way using one of these, which is 10, which is 10 of these. Take 10 away from me here. Or we can use this, let's take these away, and we can use one of these to make a 10 and have 2 ones. Right? So how many 10s do we have? How many groups of 10? 1 group of 10. And how many ones?
2.
2. So this makes what number?
11, 30.
Makes 30? We have, how many do you have here?
10.
10,
12.
11, 12. You have 10, 11, 12. Okay? So we're gonna do numbers with these. Okay? And we're gonna use these, Ricardo, these to make your ones. So if I roll 4, you're gonna put 4 here. And we're gonna use the number ones to make 10s. Okay, so we're gonna use, how many of the, what are we gonna use for this one?
The 10.
The 10s, we're gonna get 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're gonna put them where?
And the 10.
The 10. So what number did we make right now?
10, 20. Oh,
Count, huh? Count.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20.
Count again. 10, 20, 30. Count again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to give each of you the 10 cube that we're going to use for the 10s, and then we're going to use this one, the dots, to use the ones. But you have to show me how you did it. Okay, here, I'll give you another one. Use that one. And then, it's okay, we'll get it after, in a little bit. Okay, so you're going to make a number. So roll 1. Let's do Andrew. Go ahead and go first. Roll both of them. Okay, you have a 5 for what? Okay, so now roll your other one. And you have a 7 for what? Tens. Okay, so now you do yours and then you do yours. And you have bags to make your numbers. So go ahead and do it. Okay. Okay, but use these to make your number. Mhm.
I count number
Count. How many do you have here?
10. Just got them.
What's after 10?
I count number 4.
Okay, you have 4. So what are you going to use for 4?
10. There's no 4.
What do you mean there's no 4s? You're using 10. These are what you're using. The groups of 10. How many of them is it telling you to give me? 4. Okay, so give 4.
11, 13, 14, 15.
No, you have to read it together.
So you take out these.
No, you're using 4. This makes 10. Okay, so you're using 4 of these to make your number. What number are we trying to make? What number is that?
4.
Together.
Oh. 40, 42.
42. Okay, so what do we need to make 42?
10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42.
Now we have 42, right? Okay, that's how we're making them. We're making this number, 42. Now you have 42 there, right? Okay, can you make another one?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at his, Andrew's. He made the number, what number is this, Andrew?
75.
75.
75.
75. So let's see. He has
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
70,
71,
73, 74, 75. Did he make that right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Ricardo, what was your number? We have 7 and 6. What number are you trying to make?
76.
76.
Like me.
What do you need to make 76?
10, 20, 30,
Wait, hold on, Sebastian. How many do you need to make 76? How many 10s? 7. Okay, count 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, so how many ones do you need for 76? Right here. 76. How many ones do you need? You need 3 to make 6. How many do you need to make 6? You have 70, but where's your 6? How many do you need? Count 6, right? That's 6, right? So you have 6 1s and 7 10s. What number is that? What number is that? What number do you have, Ricardo? You only have 6? No, what's your whole, all your numbers? 76. Good job. Did everyone make one?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, do one more. Show me one more. Okay, Ricardo, come on. Show me one more.
Huh?
Show me one more number. Okay. Okay. Show me that number. And then you're going to have to count them out and tell me how you got it. What number did you get for that? What number? Number's that?
34. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
You have to go to Miss Matthews.
Okay, and you, Ricardo, you almost done? Good. Is everyone done?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's start this one. We'll go this way. Okay, so his number's what, guys?
72.
70. What number is that?
6.
60.
62.
Okay, so let's count. Andrew, can you count for us?
10, 20, 23, 40, 50, 60,
60.
62.
Good. He did good?
Yeah.
Yes, good job. Good job, Andrew. Okay, Ricardo, can you tell us what number you have? What number do you have? 85. Okay, can you tell us? Can you count? Mhm. 10. What's after 10? 20. No, count by 10 because there's 10 here, right? 10, 20. Andrew, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Does he have 85?
Yes.
He got 85. Good job. Good job, Ricardo. Okay. Sebastian, what's your number?
34.
34. Can you count 34 for me?
10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Okay, so do you understand what it means to have two digits and what's the 6 and what's the 2 in a number? So if you have that number 52, you know that this one is the ones, right? You have ones, and then this one represents the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ¿Verdad? Yes? Do you understand that? Okay. Good job. Thank you.